We all know how important regular exercise is for our heart health, but a new study says men may need about twice as much weekly physical activity as women to achieve comparable cardiovascular benefits. Health educator Dr. Griggs is here with us to explain where the study was done, what it found, and what that means for all of us. Dr. Griggs, good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning.
So you were telling me in commercial break a little bit about this study, but let's rewind and tell the people at home where this was done and how many people were involved.
Yeah, it was done in the UK. It was 85,000, an observational study of 85,000 men and women, and about 80,000 did not have heart disease, 5,000 did. What they found was that the equivalent amount of exercise in men is double what's recommended to see the same cardiovascular benefits.
So that was just for that 85,000 men and women in the UK, that one study that was done. But what can that suggest to the greater population, our viewers here at home?
So you got to look at the context of it, right? So what happens is, what they found is most of the women in the study, a lot of them were not active to begin with.
Like at all?
At all.
Okay.
And women had more responsive cardiovascular systems to cardiovascular exercise, which makes sense. There's a protective factor of estrogen prior to menopause that factors in, and the fact that men just need to move. We all need to move more. The 150 minutes that's recommended now is only 22 minutes a day. And they found that the benefit increased even if you double that. But even when you double that, the men need to double that to get comparable cardiovascular benefits.
So we're showing video, of course, of people running. That, of course, is awesome, an awesome cardio workout, full body workout. But that might be scary to people who've never worked out before and want to start changing their lifestyle. So when we talk cardio, what other exercises are options out there, I should say?
So I can speak from experience. I did that million steps, and I walked. Walking is great exercise, whether it's fast walking, slow walking, just actually moving. I try to tell people, get checked, get fit, get moving, find something you like to do and do it. Even if you hula hoop for 1 minute, that burns 7 calories. So cardio is cardio is cardio. Gardening counts. Anything, parking further away, taking the steps, just extra movement. Movement is medicine.
Anything else, people? I mean, I know we're about to get into a time of year where movement is medicine, but we're going to be feeding our faces because it's Thanksgiving time first, and of course the holidays, and then Mardi Gras earlier this year. You know how we roll down here.
We do.
What do people just need to keep in mind? I know, of course, you get busy during the holidays, but trying to stay in a routine or starting a routine to make sure that you are getting, at minimum, the recommended amount of movement in.
So what I would do is I recommend that people try to get it in as early as possible.
Okay.
If you can get into the habit of, I started with walking because by the time I walked away from my house and woke up, I might as well finish.
You got to walk back. That's right. And with
back.
running, when you run, you can walk back, but it's going to take you longer, or you can just run back.
Just run back.
There you go.
Just find something that you like to do and do it. Give yourself time in the morning for moving meditation, I like to call it. Give yourself 10 to 15 to 30 minutes if you can. We're just walking and thinking as you plan out your day, and that counts as exercise. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator or the escalator. Just small things. Small things count.
And they're a standing desk now.
They're
so
standing desks.
Stand up at your desk, and they have those under desk little treadmills that you can do, or pedals.
And pedals, yes.
So all that, there are all kind of deals and steals coming up because it's the holiday season. Check out what's for sale. I should say, I guess, desk exercise option-wise.
Yeah, they have it all online.
Yeah,
and the sales are coming up.
Yeah, do it. Just get it.
Or walk to the mall. If you do one lap, that's 1,800 steps at Lakeside Mall. It's 1,800 steps indoors.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, Dr. Griggs, we appreciate your time. Let's get over to meteorologist Zach Verdella, who said